So, hi everyone! So, yun, papunta na tayo sa mismong center ng Likha 3. At gagastos na naman tayo nang wala sa oras. So, I'll give you a short tour kung ano yung mga tinitinda doon. So, it's a great fair kasi. So, since products all over the Philippines ang i-feature. And, ito na tayo. Ulit ako. Ay. Push.
Latan.
Hey! Ayan. Sa mga handicrafts. So, ito yung grabe yung mga okir. Nice, oh. Kapis. Mga Yakan textiles. Hi!
Chika par produkto. Malong. Are you familiar with malong?
Yes, I am.
This is malong. And straight from Mindanao po. From Tugaya, of course. The artisan village. Nag-iisang artisan village ng Laladan Sur.
Nice!
Yes, Tugaya.
Parang
Sir,
may ano siya, no? Silver, parang golden threads.
golden thread. And this is sukib, and this one is woven textile, and then ito woven textile, ito embroidered po siya, machine, pero hand guided.
Okay.
Hindi po siya hindi po siya naka-program. Hand guided, long lasting po. Kung po yan nag-fit, kahit gano'n lahat, kahit gano'n pinada po. So, why don't you try to wear our malongs?
I'm still looking for a good buy.
No, look at this one. So beautiful. Soft colors. Look at this. See?
So, what are the colors for royals, by the way?
Yellow.
For
Usually,
yellow.
all of this is, what is this? Royal color. But exclusively, royal color ng Maranao is yellow.
Okay, I see.
Yes. And then, ito kasi, sir, kahit naman yung kulay na hindi siya royal color, but the design.
Okay.
The design is actually a royal. This is the original design of Maranao. Ang tawag dito, sir, tawag dito is langkit.
Langkit.
In this one, itong makapal na ito, this is lakbal. In this one, the thin one, itong makitid lang, this is tubiran.
Biran.
Tubiran.
Tubiran. Ah?
Tubiran. Yes, it's okay. Tubiran. And ito, this is Piako. Piako. This one is Piako. And behind this design, there is important historical background of this design. Dati po, ang malong hindi namin pinapagamit sa hindi royal family.
Okay.
Ngayon, inaalaw na namin because alam na nila at as long as alam nila yung story ng malong, we allow everybody to wear it.
Now.
As long as mahalagahan nila.
Yeah.
And then, syempre, hindi mo naman basta-basta i-ano to kasi kahit pa paano medyo expensive po.
So, how much is this?
8,000.
Oh.
8,000. Eh, bakit sir? Yung duration ng paggawa nito sir, hindi basta-basta.
Usually, how long to make this one?
Dito, every like this, 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3
Oh,
days.
okay.
2 to 3 days. Tsaka yung pag-uwi, matagal din. Ang tagal. Oh, tingnan mo. Ganyan ang proseso ng pag-uwi.
So, let's have a look on how they weave. Ah, okay.
Ganyan katagal yung pag-weave, sir. Kapag gaganon lang isang oras, hindi ka aabot ng ilang gayon, di ba? So, ganun siya kamahal. And ang kagandahan po ng manong namin, sir, kahit abutin niya ng taon-taon.
Long lasting.
Long lasting. And the same time, hindi masasayang yung pera mo. Bakit? Abutin man yan ng how many years, ibibenta mo yan, naging antique.
The price will go up.
Tumataas yung presyo po. Diba? May pag na yan, bagsa.
Okay.
Compare dito talagang, wow, antique. So, yun ang kagandahan ng aming product, sir.
Nice to know.
First time po namin dito, kaya medyo madadal ako.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh, gusto kong iparating talaga na this is it, this is ours. And then, kung titingnan mo, diba, makulay? Very
Colorful.
And life is so colorful.
Yes, it is. Gusto ko yun. Life is colorful.
And another thing, we are excited and we love nature. And our design is based on our nature.
Nature inspired.
Nature inspired. Very good. O, diba? So
Nice.
now, you can buy one for your remembrance. I know, you can, kaya mong bilhin yan. Kahit 2, 3, 4, 5.
Still looking for what will catch my eyes. So here naman ay mga textiles from Diakan. So ikot muna tayo. These from the Tiboli. So these are the crafts coming from Lake Cebu, from South Cotabato. So we have necklaces, earrings, the hair comb, oh my God, ang ganda ng mga diba? Look at it. Ganda. So look what I found. So this is a katukong. So this is a hat made of upo. Diba? Grabe. The design at ang kintab. At ito ay nagkakahalagang roughly around 10,000. 12K. Grabe. Ganda. Ay, ito yung paggawa ng lace. Grabe. Ang daming beads. So what we have here right now ay weaving from Tawi-Tawi. Look at that, kung gaano siya kadetalyado. Oh, di mo kaya banig, halagang 10,000. Paano ka hihiga dyan? Ba't patayo ka lang hihiga dyan? Pag ganyang kamahal ang banig. So look what I found. So this is called the Saruk hat of the Tausug people from Tawi-Tawi, Sulu. Okay, so let's take a look paano sila ginagawa. Kung gaano siya ka sin-sin ginagawa. Grabe. So also this is what we call tutup. So this is a food cover. So takip siya ng pagkain. Grabe. Oh, okay. So good, yeah. Skills. Yeah, I'm talking about calligraphy. That is your Taipan. Look at this one. Kulintangan. I guess. The elusive Sarimanok, the gong. So these are the musical ensembles known to Mindanao. Grabe. So let's take a look. Grabe. The details of their works. So, sungka with Sarimanok design. Talking about their skills by making this one. Take a look kung gaano siya ka-intricate. So right now, nandito tayo sa tela na tinatawag natin binakol. So the intricacy kung paano siya ginagawa. So this is a loom weaving machine, I guess. So take a look at the intricacy of kanilang pagboborda. So this is what you call inuod. Specially made for Catholic relics or mga holy relics. So sa mga damit ng poon, grabe. Ayan, so right now we're witnessing kung paano ginagawa ang inukot. So, ay grabe. So I guess it starts with a pattern. Lago. Maganda oh.
I'm trying to think of what else I can do. I have a lot of ideas na for
Barbies. And so here, balikan natin. Grabe. Banig. So meron tayong banig na nagkakahalaga. Boobs, 10,000. Take a look at this. Grabe. So, silver dip in gold, antique tambourines ranging from 45k and up. At meron pang 105. Especially this one. I'm dying to have this. Pero wala. Ganda lang. Tinan mo yung bed ko. 51,000 na Crayola. Wala lang. Wishful thinking. Yay! Feeling ko ano ko na to. Next tattoo. Charot!
Arms that I make, which is inspired from nature, and
Kaya, Pasko.
this is also about collaborating with nature. Next slide.
At natapos na tayo sa paglilibot sa PICC. Dun sa ating likha ko, lahi ko. So, again, ang dami natin nakitang magagandang items. So, crafts, textiles from Luzon down to Mindanao. At ito, on my way out, ito yung plot twist. So, nung tapos na akong mag-coffee, kumain ng dessert, chocolate cake. On my way out, nakita ko isang stall. Di ko to nadaanan ko na pala siya actually, tapos parang di lang siguro ako nag-pay attention kung ano yung meron doon. Pero natatandaan ko nung dumaan ako doon, parang dinudumog siya. So, hindi ako sumabay siguro sa mga tao. Then, all of a sudden, it was stall of Sir Taipan Lucero. At I have my last name written using calligraphy, no? So, yung artwork ni Sir Taipan Lucero, it is a combination of calligraphy and baybayin. So, eto. So, I requested for my last name to be written that way. Ito pa, diba? Kakapatato ko lang. Here, yan, 41. Kakapatato ko lang. Baka may pangalawa na. Baka masusundan kagad siya. Oh, ganda. So, ayan. May, ano na to. May... Yan. At ang ganda niya. So, ito. Last name. At it is signed by him. At nagkarapat ako ng picture with him. So, yun. Ito yung plot twist. Sabi ko, kasi pagod na ako. Hindi naman ako umupo eh. Umupo lang ako nung kumain ako ng chocolate at na nagkape. Doon lang ako umupo. At ikot lang ako ng ikot. So, yun. Eh, sobrang ano to. Ito yung plot twist ng araw. At ilang oras na akong gising. Parang simula pa lang alas 5 kahapon. Gising na ako. Hindi ako nakatulog. May call time ng 3 AM. Contest ng around 7 AM. At dito, dumiretso sa PICC. So, good thing. Ang layo lang na parkingan ko. Dumog yung tao. Layo na parkingan. Pero, still, it pays for those who wait. So, yun. I'll see you on my next vlog. Simulan na natin yung pagbablog. Haha. Love you always, always. Boom.